discuss today we have a debate on this topic. Success today depends more on networking than talent. So I said that talent is more more as compared to networking. If a person didn't have any talent, so he cannot make his networking, even he cannot get success in his life. Even if he want to become a successful person or a wealthiest person, so he need to be talented. If he want to make some communication in network, so he need to be talented in some skills. So I said that if uh, if a person want to become success today, so he need to be talented or she need to be
Okay, let me give you a situation. Let's say there is a guy who is good with programming skills, but their parents forcing them to learn physics, chemistry, mathematics that he do not like, and in order if he learn all these subjects, he can able to crack any good college. And at the same time, the guy is very good with programming. So what do you think? That here talent is definitely important, but do you think that learning extra stuff like physics, chemistry, math, and going to another college will is grateful, which is important? Or like if a guy get a chance, or due to networking he got an opportunity to work with any remote company, so which is one, which what do you think? Here your networking is helpful because you have already that talent, and you're not learning another talent which is physics, chemistry, mathematics, which is useless because he loves coding.
Sandra, I didn't get your point.
Okay, really? Am I not audible to you?
No, no, you are audible to me, but I didn't get your point.
Okay, I'm saying that uh, a guy is good with programming. Now that guy can work with any company. That level of expertise that person has acquired already. So what going to be better for him? Like choosing a college, or because he is good with coding, he can able to make any connections and able to work with any company. In order to go to college, he has to appear for entrance exam. He has to learn something he doesn't like. He has to acquire some extra talent. So what do you think in that? That's what I'm
Uh,
saying. Here connection is very important than learning something new, and you have to prove yourself.
no, but if a guy have a skills that he is good in the coding, so definitely with the good skills he can join a company. He can crack the interview as well if he is well in coding. He have a good talented in coding, like languages and other things. So he can join a company with his talented. And
Yeah,
yes, and
but let's
even
say,
he have some he have good knowledge about the coding or languages, so he can start up his own business as well if he have that kind of talented. And
but you have
even
said here, this guy right now in the age of 17, do you think their parents will allow to do this thing? And their parents want them to go into IIT, and in order to go there, he has to learn physics, chemistry, maths. So I think here connection is more important than learning extra subjects and going somewhere. So do you think that here connection is more important? Here talent may be important, but connection is more important. Like right now he is in 17, and he has to make really good connections in order to go and start their career. So here connection definitely important.
Today generation is a we are in a digital world, and you can see the lot of people are not connecting in this world. And without, if you have a talent, just Rajveer said that talent is not everything. You have to connect the world. Without connected, without connecting to the world, you can't get that positions. because you can see there are lot of talent here, but there is so many competition also here. If you not, if you not be see that where I can put my talent in this 21st century, so you can be lost your talent. Okay, so yeah, talent, I do not agree, but talent is not everything. Okay, networking is
Uh,
the most
Siddharth,
important
I
thing.
have a simple
Yes,
questions for you.
yes.
How you can connect with peoples, like in
Uh,
professional way or in
Professional.
unprofessional way. How you will connect with people?
Okay. So there is a lot of sites over there. LinkedIn, so lot of sites, lots of freelancing, lots of remote job. There is a lot of sites over there, lot of stuff over there.
Okay, so I
So
have a simple questions for you. For
okay.
to
Mm,
connect with the people, do you
mm.
need a good communication skills or not?
Yeah, yes,
Yes.
absolutely. But yeah, but if you know how to work, you know, I know how to solve this problem, that communication is nothing. Yeah, if the person, if the opposite at the opposite side.
Okay, if you want to
Yeah,
connect a professional person, so you
okay.
need to be you need like you have to be a good communicator. So then you can make your connection. And for that good communication, you
Yeah,
need to be work on your communication skills, or
but
you are
mhm.
yes.
Okay, Rajvi, yeah, you said that good communication is important, but I for my opinion, I see that lots of company needs that the people know how to solve that problem. That's a very important thing in the now generation. They don't
Okay,
need
what kind
how to
like
com. Yeah,
y-
go ahead.
okay, you are
But
telling about the problem solving. So
yeah,
yes, but
mm,
but that's
mm,
that's that's the person talent,
mm.
because everyone did not have a talent to solve the problem.
But
That's why public only hire only when when the company come to the college, they only take placements
yeah.
who cleared their eligibility, or who crack their interview rounds, only selected those person because they are talented in their technical skills as well as in communication skills. That's why the- for that the student who is sitting in front of the interview, they don't have any network. And even without even they have a network, definitely they can crack the interview in front of the they can uh, they can take placement with network in college.
Rajveer, I would like to, interrupt you here that you are saying uh, communication is skill and you're relating with talent. I think there is, you shouldn't be talk about talent or you shouldn't be confused with these two things. Talent is something is very different from communication skill. Like,
No,
like,
but if a person is talented in communication skills, he can convince he can convince his investors. Even the person who is well communicated, he can he can rise the sales of a company. Even a person who is well communicated, he can like he can what I'm not getting that
So
point.
how can
Pass
he
the
connect
but,
test,
to that?
get the
So
tender
many,
for the
so
company, the project
yeah,
tender for the company.
yeah.
So communication is also a talent. You cannot
Communication
say
is
that
you are,
communication is
you,
not a talent.
it is the
but
natural thing that everyone have. It's not something that you can say it is something talented. No,
No, I'm not
nothing. Like,
talking about the things you are the conversation. Every person can do conversation, but
but
what is communication?
conversation. You are here bring. You are saying that I have to come. I have to have conversation with anyone in order to be in my life. So you are not. You can't say that it is a talent. It is something which is in.
I'm
This is
not
our
saying
natural instinct.
I am not saying that conversation is a talent, but a good communication. I am saying that a good communication is a talented. Only you, if you have a good communication, you can
Okay.
convince people.
So do
but
you
he
think this
convinced
I'm
is
saying
that.
that
talent?
things.
Wait,
Okay.
but
Uh,
but wait,
uh,
wait, एक minute. but without connecting to the people, how can you be if you want to be a good, you are a good communicator. I agree with you. Just for say,
Bro, I just
I get it.
want to say
Just say,
that
but how can you connect with the
communication.
people? How can you connect that people without
I can
networking?
give you one
Just
real
say,
example of Twitter
okay,
also here. Okay,
yeah.
one
That's
real
a
example of Twitter.
platform that
Bro,
connect
bro,
you to.
Uh,
That's a platform
Once we join,
bro,
once
bro.
once we join this
Communication
platform,
skills can be learned in a month, in 2 months, in 6 months. You cannot say it is a talent. Anyone can learn communication skills, but we need networking in our life.
in this 21st century, without networking is you are nothing.
Yeah,
Simple answer.
and I would like to tell you that like
You are giving the
you
example of
always talk
tutor. You are
you
giving
always
the
talk
example of
about
tutor.
Elon Musk. You
Tutor
always
is
talk about
also
Elon Musk. So Elon Musk grew up and brought up maybe in South Africa, America. I'm not sure about it, but he went to America. How it is possible? Due to networking. Due to networking.
or
It's not
what
like
about his talent? Do you
how
like he don't have any talent? You think that?
he has talent, but networking is
He
important.
has talent. That's why he reached USA. If you will like do a research on him, he has a talented in in automations or what kind of things he done. Like he
Yeah,
have
yeah,
many
space
done
related.
in space research and that things. He have his own minds. He has his
Bro,
own
you
talent.
have to
That's why he
you have
reached
to
at that position. You cannot say that with networking he reached there.
no, no, like no. Both are
Even
important. Here,
I
in this particular case, talent and networking both are important. Not like you can say talent is more prioritized than networking.
So
Both are important.
I will say that talent is more important than networking. If you want to, I have a simple questions. If you don't have any talent, you cannot make your networking. Yes
Okay.
or no? Yes or no?
No. Here, you cannot say
If
that
you don't have any
communication
talent,
is
okay. If you don't have any talent, you cannot make your network.
no, and I do not agree in this point. I'm
To become
saying,
success, to become success.
okay,
Like
you are
I
saying
want to
about
add this
talent.
thing.
That's
Yes,
I want
yes, to become success. If you
okay,
don't
okay,
have any talent, like talent, you cannot make a network which from which you can become success in your life.
okay.
but if
A
you have a,
force
if
said,
you know how to work as a networking, so you if you gain some experience after that, you're going to be a talented because in
yeah,
this world you
that's
are
what I wanted to say.
yeah.
That's what I wanted to say. Like once you
Talent
get
is
into
not everything.
your
Yeah.
networking, you will learn important skills at that time. You are not like you are learning something which is not which is rubbish. Like right now, I'm taking my example. Right now, I'm a student of BTech in computer science. So what I do today, every single day, always code, but I do not know what happens in the industry. How do people write code there? How people maintain their code there? How servers stuff happen there. But once I go into that particular company, due to some networking thing, I can able to learn in an exponential way. It's not like you are saying talent is important. One can learn in that field
Okay, so
because
you
do
think
practical
that you can
and
join a
see
company
the
with
person.
networking, like if you have a networking, so you can join a company.
Sorry, I don't get you.
Like you are saying that like you are saying that if you have a networking, you can join a company
Yeah.
with network only with networking.
Yeah, definitely. Like, let's say my uncle is in a company, and definitely he can get me in that company. And once I get into that company, I will be their talented person. Maybe in some, talent can be acquired. It's not something which is comes with us. Like, talent can be learned. I'm learning any skills. I will be good at with time. And finally, you can tell me then, okay, he's talented in coding. He is good with this coding stuff. So that's what my point here. So do you really
How
think that networking is really important in this particular case? Of course, said networking is definitely important. Like for a normal guy, uh, I would say this.
Okay,
simple said yeah.
if
Go ahead,
if
let
you
me
will
know.
like you said that you will join the company, okay, if you will not like if you don't know how to work, like if you don't have any technical knowledge about your subjects, so do you think that the company employee will
No,
stay you with
look,
there?
as you said about talent, like once I get into that company, in order to work, in order to be with them, definitely I need talent, and I can learn that talent in that
You
particular
gain
environment.
experience, yeah, you gain
Yeah, I can
experience.
gain experience,
Yeah.
and it will make me a person that I want to be in that place.
So
So
how
here
maybe
networking is
yeah.
very
So how can you get that project? There's so many abroad projects there without networking. The biggest problem that you how can get you so many projects
No,
from the abroad
but
because without
somehow you
networking.
need to
If
be
you have
talented person to stay
yeah
in the
yeah
company. Yes,
Rajiv
you
Rajiv yeah Rajiv
like
said
Chandra, you are saying that
uh,
after
uh,
some experience you will become the talent. You can game like if you will not have a talent, so definitely the company will like expel you from the company. Yes,
If
not
we
to
have skills, if we have skills, we can achieve.
yes,
sorry
yes,
what is
yeah.
right.
yeah sorry what you say.
Okay, I would like to address this point. As you mentioned, definitely, if I'm not working good, I will be
And
expelled
I
by my
want
own
and
teammate.
I want to say
But
that Siddharth mentioned that how we will get project. If you are getting project because of your company talented, because when the company offer you project, this is they first see your company background. Okay, how many project you have done and how your project is going, like how the feedback if like you got from the customers whose project you have done. Okay, so
okay,
on that basis,
Raju. Okay, so okay, Siddharth, I would like to add some points here. So, Raju, have
Okay.
you watched this movie, The Social Network?
uh,
Okay, maybe no.
no.
So the movie is based on Mark Zuckerberg. Okay, so around
Yeah,
2005,
yeah.
when he come up with the idea, well, definitely he it was not his idea. The idea was created by some other people, but when he got that idea, so how the Facebook is right now? Now the Facebook has changed the name. He has now Meta. So if you go and look at the backside, you know, it's all due to Mark Zuckerberg, connection that he made at that time. It's not that he got funded huge amount of money he got into the Facebook. He started putting server all over the world, India, Pakistan, other countries, and right now all over European countries. And right now the Facebook is so colossal. So I would say that networking is definitely important. Like, do you think Mark Zuckerberg come up with, he had amazing idea, but he doesn't have money. He didn't have money at that time. So due to connection, he created the big empire, and right now we are using all their platforms, all his platforms that he
But
able
the
to
in
connect with
yes, but the investor like invest in him because of his talented. Somehow he sees some talented in him. He's come like in his in his app like Facebook. Definitely they see that definitely it will run, and he's doing such a great thing. That's why the investor invest in his company. Don't you think that without talented they just invest their money in the Mark Zuckerberg's app? If a
okay
person like yes, I am saying that if the he like sorry, if he
Yeah.
do not have that kind of idea or that kind of app, so the person who are invested in his project or in his app, so do you think that they will invest their money if
Look,
they
as you
if
said,
yeah.
okay, I'm addressing your point here. I'm okay. What I'm saying that you are saying that due to talent, Mark Zuckerberg had talent. That's why he got investments. But just think
Yes,
about it.
because he make that app he uh yes, that app
Yeah,
like you mentioned.
I'm saying something. So due to talent, well, firstly, I want to tell you that I'm here. I'm not saying talent is not important. I'm just want to say this. Let's say this is connection. So connection is here and talent is here. Okay, that's what I would like to say. I'm saying that talent is important. Now, coming to the point. Okay, Mark Zuckerberg had talent. That's why he got investment. But let's say Mark Zuckerberg wouldn't did this. So there are some other people who is doing related to social media who got that chance because they had that particular connection. Okay, so there are multiple people who are talented in this competitive world.
Agree.
People are talented,
Totally agree.
and what we require is a connection, and that connection will give us
Mm,
investment, and we will create our empire. That's what I think.
But as you said that there are lots of people in the race, okay, like
mm.
in the same boat.
Yeah.
But somehow Zuckerberg have some talented like he like he saw some talented in the market. His app show some advanced features or other kind of things like which is not in the market at that time. That's why investor get interested to invest in his app only. Yes, not network is the things like he got investment because of the app, because of he have done really a good thing because of his talent.
So
But
in
the
the
first
Facebook, what
method,
Facebook does, Facebook connect other people. That's the main thing. That's the networking. That's the people know each other. He create that
yeah,
design to create to connect to the
yeah,
strangers.
social network.
Social network. Without knowing that idea, how can he reach that point?
Yeah,
Simple. Without networking, without anything, he designed everything. But his idea is unique. His ideas like a connecting to the world. Yes, that is the
and
networking.
yeah, it
You know,
doesn't matter
there's a
how
lot. I
adroit.
agree with the Chandra. I agree with the Chandra. There's a lot of people are talented, but Mark Zuckerberg
Yeah,
doing something different. He doing
yeah,
something that he doing he creating something like a something
connecting,
connect to the world.
connecting to the people. Yeah,
Yeah, connect to the
and
people.
it is the
Yes.
core of networking. And it doesn't matter how adroit are you, whatever field you
Mm,
are. Networking
mm.
is something that make you someone that you can't imagine. Like it will freak you out. Oh my God, what has happened? So I would say this.
There's a lot of idea over there, lot of idea. But somehow some people are going be raise the bar. Yes,
Yeah.
there is a point.
No,
You,
but
I, yeah.
no, but
Go on,
as
go
you
on.
mentioned, yes, as you mentioned about Mark Zuckerberg, like he have network. That's why he make that app or that thing, that kind of stuff. So I think that he want to become success, and even he want to make that kind of app to make so people can make their friends and connected with their friends or relatives. Okay, through networking. Okay, but due to this app he became the successful person, and I don't think that there's so many persons who are using Facebook or like who became successful in their life like through networking because of that Facebook or other things without any talented.
Okay. So I'm just taking one
But
example.
in a
Like if you
Facebook,
take,
in a Facebook, there is so many things over there. You can advertise your product. You can reach so many companies. Y- Facebook is not Facebook is so many things over there. You can have Facebook ad. You can run your advertisement. You can create a website and you connect to the other people also. So that is the networking, bro. You can't say
okay,
networking is
Rajveer, I
What
would
kind of
I would like to say,
advertisement, so, like what kind of advertisement you want to post on Facebook? What kind of stuff? Can you explain
so
about
me
many
our
that?
things. So
business,
many, wait,
our
Chandra. There is so many things. Digital product, physical product. So many product over
First,
there. You can
first,
advertisement there.
okay.
Yeah,
It is
yeah.
only like it is only you are doing advertisement at that. First, you have to make that prototype, or first you make today clothing you are advertising on. First, you have to be uh, do hard work to make that clothes or that devices. Okay. First, you have to make a company for
Uh,
to build that empire
we-
or to advertise
okay,
that things. First,
But
you have to
Rajiv, but
first
okay,
yes
okay.
first you have to
But
make
Yeah,
that devices or make that close you are
I
posting
want
on the
to.
advertisement in
Yeah,
Facebook, then you can do advertisement.
okay, but yeah,
Without a physical
yeah,
thing,
yeah.
how you can do the advertisement in Facebook and all kind
So
all in that
what I
apps.
said, yeah, okay. What I said to you,
Yes,
what I want to say that we are living in a digital world. We don't do hard work. We do smart work. You can't do the hard work
but
because
but
there are so
if you
many. No,
don't
no,
have any product in your hand, how you will do
no,
the
no, no. Yeah,
advertisement in that app?
yeah. I will be. What
First
is
you
I will
have
be.
to first you have to run a business of that kind of product, you have to do advertisement and you need some
But
talent
as you
to run the
said,
business. Yes,
why
you
talent?
need
Like
to.
here, he can easily make money. Like he can get any product from anywhere, and he
Yeah,
can give
anywhere.
the
Yes.
his
Yeah.
brand name,
Uh,
and he can make
uh,
money to sell other people.
say
He has
we
not
do.
has to be create
Yeah.
any product.
Yeah.
This what's
Yes.
happening. Like
That's
I
my
think you are
point.
aware about Dropbox, Dropbox, if
Drop
I'm not
shipping.
wrong.
Drop shipping. Drop
Yeah,
shipping.
drop shipping. So in drop shipping, I am a dumb person, but I just
Yes.
so good with networking. I can able to make a good amount of money.
Money.
So
We don't need
and
a talent in
now
our life. Yes.
now what I'm saying, okay, I would like to add one point. Like just listen to me. Okay. Uh have you ever used the operating system Linux? Right now mostly we use Windows. So Linux. So if I have to tell the story of Linux, Linux is made by a guy whose name is Linus Torvald. So he created
And
the
what
operating
about the
system.
person? Okay, so what about the
Please, please,
person
please,
who
please, please,
like?
please,
Okay,
please,
okay.
please, please. I have to. Okay, so
Okay.
that guy created a Linux operating system. Now what he did, he couldn't able to complete that particular project of making operating system by himself. That's why he made that particular software open source. Now anyone can able to contribute in that particular project and can able to make that software more robust. So here networking is so important. Like that particular person who cannot able to do anything with one hop, he's like he just sitting like this. And if I start having conversation with anyone, if I start connecting with anyone, so at that time I can able to make my software great. So here connection is so important in the field of open source. So Linux
And
is due to this. It's so great operating system. All the servers are run on the Linux operating system due to networking. This is the power of networking.
and what about you are talking about the apps, digital thing, and what